Alright folks, I got my tractor here. This is a Kubota L3301 33 horsepower tractor. I got this on the 21st of April 2015 and it's currently the 27th of June 2021, so it's been over 6 years and I have never washed this thing. Now if you want to leave disparaging and demeaning comments about me for never having washed my Kubota, that's what the comment section is for. I look forward to them. At any rate, I have never washed this thing. It's never really been in the garage much. It's been out and about doing stuff, and obviously there's dirt, but there's also lots of like mildew and mold and stuff on this thing that probably shouldn't be there. And I'm going to go ahead and give it a wash, see what happens. Now, I will tell you, I do have a video out there on how to clean your bucket, and that was basically where I smeared peanut butter all over it and let the possums and raccoons come and lick it all off, and when they do, they get rid of all the dirt too. But I don't have enough money to buy enough peanut butter to smear down this whole tractor, and I'm not sure it would get rid of some of this mold and mildew looking stuff on it. So at any rate, time to give the old beast a bath, and some of this you know, hopefully some of this stuff here comes off. We'll have to see. Again, leave your comments in the comment section. I can't wait to hear them. I think I'm going to have to get me a toilet brush to get in some of these nooks and crannies, because that flat brush just isn't doing it. But as you can see, it's the parts that I've cleaned are cleaning up okay. Lots of contrast there between the clean parts and the dirty parts, that's for sure. This is just it's gotten pretty dirty, even for me. I buy my tools and my machines to use them. My Harley always was covered with bugs on Sunday when everybody else got out their garage queens that were spotless. But I was proud of the fact I rode mine all week and had lots of bugs on it, lots of dirt. Same thing with this tractor. All that dirt Just means it's been used, but it's getting kind of hard for me to see the dashboard even, because it's got so much gunk on it. So it needs a good clean, but it's going to take me a few hours, I think, to do this, because unlike a car that's got lots of flat panels on it, this has not got hardly any flat surfaces on it, except the bonnet here, the hood, and that's pretty dirty too. Alright, well, cleaning this right here, what looked like mud is actually grease, and I got that on my brush, so I'm going to have to clean that off with some gasoline or something before I keep using it. Otherwise I'm just going to smear this thing down with more grease. So other than that, it's coming along okay. Alright folks, we're going to call it done on the tractor. It's not perfect, and you know, there's areas here where like I could take that tire off and get in there and clean that dirt that's on the other side of the rim, but it's good enough for now, because I'll tell you the truth, I'm just tired of cleaning it. I've probably spent about 8 hours cleaning this. You know, you clean a car, it's got the front, the back, the sides, and the top, and that's it. And this thing's just got 1,000,001 surfaces. It just takes a long time to clean them all. So, but at any rate, you can see it's orange again, and my dash, I can see my dashboard again. So that's a good thing, and we're going to call it done.